If you still think that Blu-ray players are only to play Blu-ray discs, Sony will change the way you think forever. Simply connect Sony's Blu-ray disc player to the internet, and you can enjoy a host of exciting online content with great picture quality. You don't have to worry about moving from the comfort of your sofa or connecting your PC to the internet. Whether it's the latest movies, your favorite sporting action, or the best TV shows, Bravia Internet Video brings new entertainment into your living room. Enjoy the most popular videos from YouTube. Catch up with your favorite TV shows. Browse and check out movies you've always wanted to see. Operation could hardly be simpler. Choose your time, grab the remote, and watch any online content with Sony's Blu-ray disc player.